Hello, welcome to the Crates Motel. My name's Conan. MPC3 software, it's official, it's out there. I've seen quite a few questions on forums in the last 48 hours, and what I want to do is I want to try and answer those questions to the best of my ability with the information available. Let's jump in. Okay, so the most common question that I've seen is it possible to downgrade? Can I go back to 2.15 if I want to? Okay, it used to be really, really easy, but they have changed it slightly. So if you go into menu and go into preferences, right at the top in info, on the beta, there used to be a button here which just said downgrade, and it was really, really easy to do. However, it is a little bit more difficult now. Obviously, the downgrade button isn't there anymore. What you actually have to do is go onto the Akai website. I'm going to link below where you can download it from. And you need to download 2.15 and you just install it the same way that you would install any firmware. So that quickly goes into question number 2. How do I update? So again, if you go into preferences from menu, let's just go back to menu, go into your preferences at the top, info, right down the bottom, you have update. There's several different ways to update. I used to update using the update mode and my computer, but weirdly, since MPC 3 beta, it's been a little bit sketchy. I don't know whether it's my laptop, whether it's something to do with my laptop, or whether it's something to do with the update mode, or, you know, look, there's so many variables involved. So what I've done is I've switched to USB drive update. That's really, really easy. Again, you go to the Akai website, you download an image file that you put onto a USB, flash drive, pen drive, whatever you want to call it. Put it right at the root, don't put it into a separate folder, and you literally plug it into the back of your MPC and you hit USB drive update, and you can do it that way. The other two ways, online update and switch to update mode, you can use that as well. Just me personally, I tend to use USB drive update because so far I've never had any issues with that. So the next question that I've seen quite a lot is, can you open 2.15 projects in 3.0? Yes, you can. However, there are some issues. I've seen various issues. I'm guessing that Akai are going to try and address those issues at some point, but I'm not sure they're going to be able to, just because of the way that 3.0 is built compared to the older software. But just be aware that there are issues. If you open your project, it's not necessarily going to load up exactly the same way that you had it in 2.15. My advice would be to back up everything. And I don't just mean change it. I'll show you the method in a second. I would say back it up completely on a different card, on a different drive. Just back it up totally. So you have a completely different backup that's not even been opened in 3.0. But this is what happens if you do open one of your projects. Let's just choose one of my old projects. This is an old project I did some years ago. So what you'll notice is when you load it up in 3.0, it will rename it as import. So when you save it, make sure that you have a different name than the original. Close your eyes. If you overwrite, then you're not going to be able to open that in 2.15 if you downgrade. And that's the next question that I've seen quite a lot. Can I open 3.0 projects in 2.15? No, you can't. Not as far as I'm aware, or I've tried and I can't. So make sure that you have a different name, like call it, you know, Close Your Eyes 3.0, or Close Your Eyes New, or Close Your Eyes Not 2.15, whatever you want to call it, but do not overwrite. Because if you overwrite, you're not going to be able to open it again. And if there's loads and loads of issues, you're going to be stuck. Okay, so the next question I'm seeing quite a lot is, do I have to pay for the Native Instruments plugins? Yes, you do, even if you own them already. For your DAW, etc. Like I owned Analog Dreams. If I want to use Analog Dreams on my MPC, I'm going to have to buy it again. So you don't get any free Native Instruments plugins. It would have been maybe nice to get a light version of one of the plugins as a little teaser or whatever when you downloaded 3. That would have been nice, but I don't know what the deal is between Akai and Native Instruments, so maybe Native Instruments just said no. I don't know, speculating. But no, you don't get any free plugins, I'm afraid. You have to download them. However, you can get a 10-day trial, which is what I'm running at the moment, and that can give you a good idea of whether you ever want to buy it. And obviously, there's going to be sales. The price that it's at the moment, it will come down. There will be sales at Black Friday. I'm sure there'll be summer sales, so just keep an eye on that. Okay, the next big question that I'm seeing quite a lot is about the software on your computer. Has that been upgraded to 3.0? The answer to that is no, it hasn't, not yet. I've got no idea when it will be. Akai seems to be quite silent on it. I've seen tons of people ask the question, when are you going to update the computer software? And there doesn't seem to be any definitive answers to that. So I don't know personally. I have been asked by quite a few people. I don't know. I'm not affiliated with Akai. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't work with them. I've got absolutely no idea whatsoever. So I don't know the answer to the question. But the answer to the question is, has it been updated yet? Is no, it hasn't. If you open your project in controller mode in your computer, basically it opens up with the 2.15 GUI. So it will just go back to how it used to look. So that's a little bit of a disappointment, but I'm sure at some point they will update the software as well, and then everybody will be happy. Or let me rephrase that. They'll update the software and there'll be a whole bunch of other things that people have an issue with. But hopefully by the time it does happen, they would have ironed out some of the problems or issues, whatever you want to call them, in 3.0. Okay, so this is a really, really good one. And somebody brought this to my attention literally this morning. When you download the Native Instrument plugins, now, when you have the software, you use them in Contact, Analog Dreams, etc., they take up a lot of space. Now, they've been optimized for the MPC, but they do still take up quite a bit of space. So be mindful where you have your download stored. Now, I have mine stored on my SD card that's plugged into my MPC, but if I remember rightly, by default, they go on the internal, and you probably want to avoid doing that. So the way that you do that, if you go into if you go into Menu, go into Preferences, go into Activations, at the bottom here, you can choose the folder that you want to change it to. So look, internal or the card that you've got plugged in. Mine's called Crates Motel Akai 1. So there you go. It's as simple as that. My advice would be to save it on an external. That would be my advice. Don't save it on the internal. So the last one, not a question so much, but somebody pointed it out to me this morning. I hadn't actually noticed it. But when you load up new project, if you go into your returns, Akai have very nicely set up on return 1 and 2, reverb and delay. Has it been influenced by the template I've been running for the last couple of years, which has exactly the same thing set up? Who knows? But there you go. If you don't use my template, it's already set up for you on the returns. If you do use my template, there's a few little extras that I've added, which make things better, in my opinion. So there you have it. I hope some of the most common questions have been answered there, all in one place. Obviously, there's going to be more and more questions as time goes on. I'm hoping that some of the issues are going to get resolved quite quickly. We're going to get hot fixes. We're not going to have to wait for them. Time signatures, let's not mention it. And all of the other issues, I'm sure, will be resolved by Akai in due course. Let's be patient. And the software, hopefully that will be coming soon as well, but I have absolutely no idea. This is Crates Motel. My name's Conan. Till next time.